and good morning guys. I, Sudhanshu and Durgesh here presents you microcontroller based object detector and ultrasonic distance meter.
This is an ultrasonic wave distance meter which has been presented by Durgesh and Sudhanshu Tiwari from Guru Tegh Bahadur Polytechnic College, Vasant Vihar, Delhi,
ECE department.
and ECE department. This observation is taken under Navjot Kaur ma'am of
Our HOD.
our HOD of ECE branch. See, this is our ultrasonic wave distance meter and object detector circuit which has been operated by Sudhanshu, who is an ECE engineer. Just operate the circuit.
Yeah.
See, here, see this. Here is a mobile, and how just when the mobile come near to the sensor, it detects the when the mobile is near, the frequency is not been spreaded all through this, and the receiver cannot just detect the mobile after just how far just mobile is going, the object is going far, the frequency is reflected from the mobile, and the receiver has been sensing the lob of frequencies. And see, just you can see the reading are just increasing and decreasing, and you can see in the 7 segment display.
And when we take off the mobile or object
Yeah,
from the rays,
yeah,
from the direction of rays, the circuit just stops.
yes.
It means
Just
it
that is-
doesn't detects anything.
this after detecting
That's why it is also an object detector.
object detector. Just see one more demo. See, when the just object come in the front of this, it detects the objects and gives the reading. So that's why its name has been given ultrasonic wave distance meter and object detector. See this, it's a microcontroller, and see the object has been detected, and the distance of the object has also been detected, and it has been just displayed on the 7 segment display by using this microcontroller. This is a microcontroller. It's a
In this circuit, we had used 15015 transformer.
transformer. It is
for,
a
for
step-up
15
transformer.
positive and 15 negative voltages.
Yeah.
After which, we had used 1000 microfarad capacitors.
Capacitors and diodes for rectifications. And just you can see, this is a
These three ICs
yeah.
in the power supply section.
It's a regulator power supply.
Yeah, one is 7805, another is 7915 for negative 15 volts,
Yeah.
and other is 7815 for positive 15 volts.
Yeah.
And this IC,
Yeah.
LM324N.
Yeah. 3323H, which is an buffer IC, and this is our main microcontroller AT89C2051. Okay, just how we are seeing, this is a microcontroller used, and the second IC which has been used is ULN2003APG. This is the IC. See, just you can see in this display of recording, it's made by China. It's a Chinese company which made this IC.
And the main microcontroller, which is the heart of this circuit, is made in Atmel company.
Yeah, as we are just showing this display, and it's our circuit. Okay, it's a transistor. It's a NPN transistor. It's a BC557 transistor, and see, it is a reset switch, capacitors, electrolyte capacitor, and it's a transistor T5 2N2222 transistor 5, which amplifies the weak signals of receiving from the ultrasonic components, which is a receiver, and it amplifies the signals and just go through to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller controls the signals, and just they convert into the binary. And this one, the second IC ULN2003, just convert the binary to the decimal, and just it had been displayed on the 7 segment display. Just you can see this is a 7 segment display. As soon just operate the circuit, whenever just the any object is come near 3, this had been detected by the detectors of ultrasonic components. See this, how it is being detected and the
Transducer.
readings. These are transducers and receivers which just detecting the object,
Please, sir.
and display has been setting.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the display, this is the preset. By adjusting this preset, we can control the display and distance of the circuit, that how much far we can, if we, how much far we need to detect the object. Okay, and this is circuit made to detect the object near 2 meters, and after increasing the power of the circuit up to 60 volt, we can just measure 5 meters. This is for watching this video. Thank you. Any more?
And have a nice day.
And have a nice day. Thank you.